I've got some of it off. I'll just let the membrane drain out. So much restriction. This is interesting with the flow restrictor and T&O and going through the solenoid. So much restriction in everything. It never has worked good. And so I'll get those other two solenoid and low pressure switch off, the pump off, let this membrane drain. And here's another high pressure switch they had. So it's no wonder it never did work good. It's just too much junk. Anyways, I'm sure it's going to work better.